All right, Tommy Aiello is joining us, the Senior Director of Government Affairs at the National Taxpayers Union. David Grosso is a business analyst. Gentlemen, thank you so much for coming on. Again, apologies if we do see a press briefing, we'll jump into it. But let's jump into what we're seeing right now, which is the Fed rate cut. I mean, this is something that's been anticipated for quite some time by President Trump and his administration, 25 basis points. There's a prediction that even more would happen. Let me go to David on this.
Yeah, so it's a mixed bag. This confirms that the job market and the general economy aren't as strong as been advertised in the previous and present administration. Typically, this is something that we see when the economy is weakening. There are many mixed signals in the economy, and the Fed is finally acting, which the Trump administration has been loudly asking for quite some time. We've seen a quarter of a rate percentage cut, and now they're indicating that two more are penciled in before the end of the year. This is a big deal, especially since we saw 1 million jobs disappear that were supposedly created in the past year.
Yeah, Powell said that the Fed's decision will actually help them in future decision making. I want you to take a listen to this first.
I feel like our policy has been doing the right thing so far this year. I think we were right to wait. With today's decision, we remain well positioned to respond in a timely way to potential economic developments.
So, Tommy, I'm going to go to you with this one. Do you agree with Powell's remarks there, and how could this impact mortgage rates?
I do, and I think what we heard yesterday is the Fed is still very much concerned about inflation. It's still about 1 percentage point higher than what they'd like to see, so that's something we need to worry about. But look, cutting rates by 25 basis points, it's a big deal, but it's not the biggest deal in the world. What consumers are going to feel immediately is it's going to become cheaper to finance a mortgage, refinance, get a student loan, or refinance a student loan, or any other type of consumer credit. When you do that, you basically reduce the payments that families are going to have to pay each month. That's a very good thing. It's more money in their pocket at the end of the month.
All right, we do appreciate that. And just referencing some of the things we've seen on screen. By the way, I'll dismiss David Grosso, Tommy Aiello. Thank you. President Trump, Keir Starmer, Prime Minister, and the President watching. Some will be paratroopers there dropping in.